Hey guys, welcome back to the first edition of the Funky Grunge Boutique Mini Style Bites accessory edition, because y'all know I love me some accessories, and if you've been following me for a long time, you already know I believe in bringing it up to the face. I believe in styling up the ears, styling up the neck and the hair, because it will keep people focused on you, and that's the idea. You want people to focus on your eyes and hold conversation with you. Ain't nothing going on down here, so it shouldn't be all down there. We want to bring the focus up here. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 little simple things that will add a whole lot of funk, you know, they little va boom to your style. And first off, I would like to start off with a headscarf. Any color, any style, any design. You can wear it around the neck, on your hair, however you want to. I think that always add a nice little element of funk to any style. Boom, a pair of glasses, any kind of glasses, girl. It don't matter if it's reading glasses, sunglasses, beach glasses. I'm going on a date night glasses, pink glasses, green glasses, whatever you want to do. Just add a pair of glasses to your style. Last but not least, if you really want that real good funk to your look, girl, pop on some earrings that make somebody's head turn. You know this that look that you want when you want somebody to say, girl, where'd you get that from? Girl, that's fly. See, that's what you want. You want to add pieces that's gonna add funk to your look. I'm gonna close it off with this here. Whatever you do, wear what the funk you want to, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.